कान खोल के सुन लो, हम कान में है.
Can it get better?
I've studied 3 years of French in school.
I speak Spanish. Yo hablo español.
Yeah, but we're not having this in Spain. We're having it in Cannes, which is in France.
Call me when you guys do this in Spain.
There's going to be constant comparisons when Maahi sings that it sounds like me, which I don't think is, he's got his own style. What I like is that today everyone's singing from a very, वो पतली हस्की आवाज में गाते हैं सब. तो उस हिसाब से, he's got this nice baritone.
I think that comparison is natural. Obviously, I mean, a father-son comparison is one of the most, clear natural comparisons that people make. But obviously, I will adopt a lot of his, singing expressions and styles. But I'll definitely add my own 2 cents into it. So it's definitely not the imitation, but there will definitely be inspiration from Dad, obviously very heavily, but also from tons of other artists.
Growing up, you heard stories about, the legends, Mohammad Rafi Saab, Kishore Kumar ji, Mukesh ji, how they would match their vocal textures to the actors. That if I'm singing for Abhishek Bachchan, it'll be different. If I'm singing for Shah Rukh Khan, it'll be different. If I'm singing for Saif, it'll be different.
If I do ever get that opportunity and privilege, that sounds, more exciting to be able to put in my own sort of 2 cents into the song rather than having to emulate.
The flip side is that eventually when you sing a lot of songs, if you have a one fixed pattern, one fixed style, one signature style of doing things, you might start sounding dated.
Yeah.
You might start sounding like, people could do your mimicry. When we started off, there was a very strong sense of what किस हद तक गा सकता हूँ, किस हद तक नहीं गा सकता हूँ. I had to say no to quite a few songs that I thought were a little, especially when you're singing regional songs, you don't know what the language is and you can be tricked into singing something really crazy. So very early in life I got a lesson on that also. So even when I was doing a Kannada or a Telugu song, I would always ask for the meaning, and sometimes it used to be ridiculous and I had to pull away. As performers, on the flip side to it, we have a moral social responsibility, because at the end of the day, what we do, what we say, can be taken as who we are.
Say you've already built a sort of big fan base, say you're already an established artist, then you can take that liberty to, make a song that maybe isn't sort of in with the trend. And once you have that dedication for that artist, once you know, okay, I really love this artist's voice, I love his texture, I love his vibe, then you sort of listen to almost anything they put out. Because you're a fan of the artist, not necessarily just a fan of their music.